Are you interested in earning money while you rest? So, dividend ETFs might be the solution for establishing sustainable passive income. Welcome to Money Gainers Hub, the channel where smart money moves become simple. We break down personal finance wisdom, including earning, saving, wealth building, and investing into powerful and practical tips. So, you can make smarter money moves fast. Grab your notebook, get focused, and let's unlock your next financial breakthrough starting right now. In this video, we'll explore the top dividend ETFs to help you achieve this goal. Why choose dividend ETFs? Dividend ETFs merge the benefits of passive investing with dependable income. Rather than selecting individual dividend stocks, these ETFs include many companies that consistently pay out dividends. The benefits you gain are: benefit number 1, steady income. Benefit number 2, diversification. Benefit number 3, reduced risk. Benefit number 4, less time needed for investment management. What should you consider in a dividend ETF? Not all dividend ETFs perform equally. Here are the key factors to consider. Factor number 1, dividend yield. This indicates your expected annual income. Factor number 2, dividend growth. Are dividends rising over time? Factor number 3, expense ratio. Lower expenses mean greater returns for you. Factor number 4, diversification or broad sector and company exposure. Factor number 5, track record to check the consistency in dividend payments and growth over time. So, what are the top dividend ETFs for passive income? Let's look at some of the leading dividend ETFs suited for long-term investors. ETF number 1, SCHD or Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. It concentrates on high-quality U.S. firms that consistently pay dividends. It offers a yield of 3 to 4%. It features a low expense ratio, approximately 0.06%. ETF number 2, VYM or Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF. It targets stocks with above-average dividend yields. It provides extensive coverage of U.S. large-cap companies. Average yield around 3%. ETF number 3, DGRO or iShares Core Dividend Growth ETF. It focuses on companies renowned for increasing dividends. It offers a lower yield of about 2%, but the potential for growth is greater. Suitable for long-term compounding strategies. Next, let's explore international ETF options for global diversification. ETF number 1, IDV or iShares International Select Dividend ETF. This features high-yield companies from Europe, Asia, and other advanced markets. ETF number 2, VYMI or Vanguard International High Dividend Yield ETF. Perfect for international income seekers. These options help lessen your reliance on the U.S. economy and provide income from various global markets. Next, let's understand about dividend reinvestment or DRIP. You can choose to receive your dividends as cash or reinvest them. Reinvesting can be powerful because it enhances your income and accelerates your investment growth. Many brokers allow you to automatically enable DRIP or Dividend Reinvestment Plan so that the payouts are guaranteed to go towards purchasing more ETF shares. However, in many countries, dividends are subject to taxes even if reinvested, so it is also important to be aware of tax implications. So, verify whether the ETF is managed within a tax-advantaged account, such as an IRA or superannuation fund. Additionally, be mindful of the difference between qualified and ordinary dividends, potential international tax withholding for global ETFs. If you are investing significant sums for income, consulting a tax advisor is advisable. However, here is an example to build a dividend ETF portfolio. 50% SCHD or VYM for U.S. dividends, 20% DGRO for dividend growth, 20% VYMI or IDV for international dividends, and MA or 10% BND, bond ETF for extra stability. However, you can modify the allocation based on your desired level of risk or income. Potential earnings. Imagine investing $10,000 evenly among SCHD, VYM, and DGRO. With an average yield of 3.5%, this could generate $350 annually and more as dividends increase. Moreover, reinvesting your earnings significantly compounds your returns, leading to substantial passive income over time. Dividend ETFs provide a straightforward, low-pressure avenue for earning income and accumulating wealth simultaneously. Hence, select a few strong funds, consistently reinvest, and commit to long-term investment. With time, your passive income could develop into a regular monthly payment. If you found this information useful, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next video.